go. Started. Let's play it safe. Put the jack stand under it. Alright, tires off. Alright, so it looks like we had to put some penetration oil in this thing, WD-40. Just fucking thing was just rusted on like always. That's what's holding that, helping hold that in.
A few moments later.
Ooh. Okay. Should let me push it in now. Push it in. Now, there it goes. Now, okay, that should be fine. Now the brake pads go in here. Where'd they at? Oh, they're already in there. Okay, cool. There's that. Yeah,
I think I did break that plastic piece off.
Jeez, man, it won't hurt it, but
Dang it.
dang it. Okay, so that's something we're gonna have to fix eventually, but
It goes in.
It goes
pretty
in,
well.
but just need to have it hold on in there because if it comes out, you're gonna get a brake light.
Yeah.
Trying to find a way to make it lock. Cause I can feel the clip here where it should lock into this. What do you remember what broke off of it?
Yeah, these two
I see.
pieces.
Oh yeah.
the two most important pieces of plastic.
Okay. So if anything, I could go look for a zip tie. That might be zip tie it up.
Oh wait, I think I have.
If you have them,
in
that
my-
would be the most perfect thing to do with it. Sometimes two people is better than one.
Oh, I think I put it backwards.
Flip it over. Now pull on it really good.
It's a little twisted, but
That's fine. That holds up. Yep. Yeah, that'll work.
perfect.
Cool. All right. Now if we could just clip that little edge off so it's not hanging out. All right, so we got one. Yay!
Yep. Look at that.
And look, they already have this one zip tied on. They already did it. That's funny. This one's zipped all the way up.
Oh wow.
You got another zip tie? Because it looks like we got another broken one.
Oh, it looks like they use two zip ties.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You got a zip tie. It looks like we got a broken one again.
No, that was my one.
And having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Liar.
And this is way more fun compared to the front brakes.
Yeah, the front brakes,
That
man.
struggle.
I really didn't think we were going to be able to get them to work. I was surprised they unfroze. I was like, oh shit, they worked. Okay.
It was like 4 hours.
4 hours of
do like that.
suckiness.
Slide that underneath.
Yeah, these were gone. I mean, look at that one.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, because I did it. I bent the metal thing over. Yeah, because it was scraping.
Yeah, so I guess it was the
Yeah,
left side.
You probably had a few more years left that way now, but you know, might as well get them done. All right, so now that again. Okay, hold that up, right? Moment of truth here. Don't get shocked. Put your tongue on it. There it is. I'm like, whoa. Oh, got it locked in there good. Okay, I think we might be golden. Sweet. Might. Don't quote me on that quite yet. Yep, okay.
Perfect.
Cool. Cool. Okay, that was easy. There we go.
Should we good?
Yep, cool. Sweet.
Later that same evening.